All right, so I want to go over the basics of setting up your Robinhood account to start investing. What you want to do is go through the steps, fill out everything accurate, make sure it's all accurate before submitting because this could make your verification time longer than it needs to be. So, that being said, once you're all set up, verified, ready to go and deposit money, what you want to do is at the top, you'll see that part right there. It says buying power. Click on that. Then you want to click deposit funds. If you share your account to the right, you'll see the change bank thing. If you have, you and your spouse are sharing the account and you want to use both accounts to fund it at like different times, whatever. Make sure that's correct and what it should be, because if you're buying a stock and it's on the wrong bank, you may, take money out of the wrong bank and buy the stock, and it just creates a mess. Then you want to just put the amount you want to put in. Now, with Robinhood Standard, you get an instant deposit of $1,000. So as soon as you deposit that, you can instantly use that $1,000 and start investing it, even though it hasn't come out of your bank yet. Usually takes up to a week to come out of your bank. Um, with Robinhood Gold, which I highly suggest getting, it's only $5 a month or $4.99 a month or whatever. Um, you get up to $5,000 instant deposit. Now, I believe that deposit refreshes every time as soon as it comes out of your bank and the transaction is complete. Um, so we'll pretend you got money into your buying power and you're ready to go trade. Now, these lists may be different from what you have showing on yours. You can always click the search button at the bottom and search whatever company you want. You can see Google or anything. And then on this section right here, you can go to like different categories of IPOs. Now, what are the most popular? I don't know, just Disney, I guess. So when you're ready to trade a stock, what you're going to want to do is before buying it, look at the chart. See, what there is. So you see the day, week, month, 3 months, year, 5 year, and then there's the line type of chart, whatever. I don't really know the terminology fully. Like I said, I'm not a professional at this. I just have a great understanding of what I'm doing. So bear that in mind. Now, we got the candlesticks, and these are just, the green is obviously like it's uptrending and stuff like that, and, maybe good times to sell, whatever, or reds, stocks going down. I usually keep it on this. Um, we'll definitely make more videos on how to like fully analyze charts and some more terminology and stuff like that later on. But so once you go through this, you can kind of see over time how this company has been doing. And if you hold on to the chart, you can get a little uh, drag bar thing to show you exactly the times and the prices that company was at that specific time. Now, let's say we go like a month from now. This is January 11th, and then this is December 16th. Like, you can go through different dates, times, and prices through each one. Um, so that's another way that can be useful. Now, to buy, all you want to do is click trade on the green button and then click buy. You'll see in the right top corner it says dollars. Yours may say shares. I just keep mine on dollars because I may not have as much as I can get um, in my available funds for like certain shares. You may have more or less than a whole share. So to get your full amount, money's worth, you want to put it in dollars. This is what shares looks like. So it'll go by how many shares you want, time like by the current price, and then it'll give you cost. You could also do recurring investments, so it'll automatically deposit money into this stock, or you can set it up to automatically deposit money into your available funds. So it's not going into a stock, but it can be ready to go and use for whenever you need it. You got limit orders, trailing stop orders, stop limit orders. So these are all for buy, and you can read what each individual one is. Now, if you're selling a stock, pretty much you're going to have all of these, but in terms of selling and going down. Um, for like a limit order, it'll trigger an automatic sell at a certain price point if a stock is on a downtrend. So that can be helpful, so you don't have to always keep looking at the app to see what the current prices are. You may be working on vacation, get no connection or whatever. So you can automatically put that, and then it'll automatically sell it for you during market trading hours. That's pretty much the basics I want to go over for getting into buying and selling stocks. Another thing you may want to look at is the debit card for Robinhood. Very useful, highly suggested. There may be a wait time. I had to wait a while for mine to go through. But with this, if you sell your stocks and you want to use the money, you don't have to wait for a transfer from Robinhood to your bank, which could take up to a week or so or whatever. You could just sell the stock. It's in your available funds, and if you don't have a pending transaction from a deposit, then you are able to use it instantly, and you could just swipe it like a regular debit card. Highly suggested. But that should be it for now. We will do more videos in the time to come, covering more stuff. So hopefully this kind of gives you an understanding how to navigate and work through this app for now.